Hey everyone, how's it going? It's John Taylor. Hey, I'm on my news desk and trading desk. Unreal. Today's Wednesday, February 4th, 2026. Do me a favor, give me a like and a share, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks. What an incredible news today. Gold is back up, silver's pumping, boom, boom, boom. We're getting a rebound on silver. Okay, advanced micro devices is active, off, SanDisk. Had a mini tech wreck there. Eli Lilly's active, NVIDIA, Uber, and Micron Technology. So we got a lot of news to go over today. Stock index futures steady after tech-led sell-off. And then U.S. ADP jobs report and of course, Alphabet earnings are in focus too. Go Google. So we got a lot of news to go over today. And then, I just share with you what I'm doing. I don't give financial advice. So I like Solana. It looks like it's 100% downturn for Solana. So I'm purchasing Solana and Ethereum, but more on that later. So let's look at this real quick here. So, all right, Block, Wall Street, is bullish or bearish. Estee Lauder, news on it. Dominion Energy, and then Coinbase stock is off 45% in the last 3 months. So, the cryptocurrency market's rolling over into a bear market. So the crypto winter. So we just have to look at that. I own Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana. So I'm a buyer of such. And then silver bullion's pumping. It's saved, talking about commodities, bacon and pork bellies are a commodity. And, so the thing that saved my bacon is this here. I own thousands of these stored up, the American Eagles. You can see these things are amazing. So I'm selling some of my wares on eBay and they're trading at a huge premium. So that's what we have. So let's look at this. The E-minis, the stock market's just opened up about 10 minutes. Now stay with me to the end. I give you free alpha, which is I share with you what I'm doing. S&P minis off. They're up about 6%, 6 points. The NASDAQ 100 mini up 70, off 70 points. The Dow futures up 100. The VIX at 18.85. The Dixie at 97.41. The 10-year, you got to watch the yield on the 10-year, 111-165. Crude oil's up fractionally at 63.24. Nat gas is up at 3.52. Gold is up $124 to $5,059. Silver bullion up about $8 to 91.10. Nice pump in silver again. We had a huge rally, like this, a pump in silver, and then a tank down like this. Now it's going back up again. So I'm a seller into that retracement back up. And so I'm not selling all of my silver bullion, but I'm selling into that strength, and then taking a look at the assets that are most oversold on their weighted alpha, which is Solana, Ethereum, etc. So coffee market's off. Cocoa, got my coffee cup here. Having a nice coffee this morning. So that's what I have for today. Let's take a look at this. The stocks that are most active: advanced micro devices, SanDisk, Eli Lilly, NVIDIA is active, Uber, a lot of news on Uber, Micron Technologies, Broadcom, Google's active, they got earnings on deck, Tesla's active, and so that's what we have on bar chart. And then the chart of the day is Cimpress, CMPR. 52-week high for Cimpress. So what's going on with Cimpress? That's what we have there for bar chart. Now stay with me too. I just share with you what I'm doing. Now look at this Yahoo Finance. Let's see what's going on there. PayPal stock has been spanked bad too. Boy, it's taken a hit. It's off like 80% or so. It says SpaceX merger boosts the Musk trade. So AI goals remain vague. Musk frames the XAI as a sci-fi epic. U.S. stocks mixed as Wall Street weighs earnings rush. Wow. Why the AI-driven software stock crash probably isn't over. So you got companies like Microsoft and Salesforce and SAP, they're being displaced by the artificial intelligence. Private payroll miss amid dramatic slowdown in job creation. Burry warns of cascading effect from Bitcoin plunge. So we're seeing MicroStrategy. I saw a news story that Michael Saylor is upside down with MicroStrategy, a $1.5 billion loss. Silicon Labs stock soars amid Texas Instrument deal. Slab. So earnings, Eli Lilly and Super Microcomputers, Uber. Nova shares tumble on forecast for steep drop in sales. Gold rebounds above 5,000 as sharp retreat lured dips buyers. So that people are buying the dip. PayPal is downgraded. Wow. Below, let's see, Waymo and Tesla and Congress is involved, and 11 Labs raises $500 million. So I read the news to myself every day, and then on the geopolitics and socioeconomics, and then I formulate a trading plan for myself. So Tesla, man, look at all these news. Eli Lilly and Uber and Chipotle earnings roundup. And Netflix and Warner Brothers, Advanced Micro Devices, Helios will help close the gap between NVIDIA. So Advanced Micro Devices is off, 12%? So let's look at this. The top gainers, Silicon Labs, Enphase Energy, Super Microcomputers is up, and then MGM Resorts is up 13%. So looks like the New York NYT, the New York Slimes is off 17%. I might sell a put on that just for fun. Let's see. So that's what we have on Yahoo Finance. I'm running about 7 minutes. So take a look at that. And then, I don't even edit my videos. So I want to welcome all my new subscribers. My channel is getting a lot of traction. So that's what the economic calendar today, ADP employment, S&P final, PMI. So we got news there. It's a light economic calendar. And then ISM services here in a few minutes. And then we got some Fed speak. Lisa Cook is going to speak. So this is what we have on the economic calendar. So, man, looking at this drop, okay, Bitcoin's off to 75,128, S&P 500, so Ethereum is off. So, I don't run commercials on my channel, but you can read this book. I'll put the links down below. You can check it out. I recently penned an ebook on Amazon Kindle titled AI Search Engine Marketing, SEM, Leveraging Artificial Intelligence for Paid Search Advertising. So I'm considered one of the world's leading experts in SEM, search engine marketing. Check out the links below. You can read it for free on Amazon Kindle. So that's an interesting read. Now, look at this. Let's take a look at this. All right. So the crypto that I like, all right, so my plan, and I go into my trading plan, and this is just what I'm doing. So I'm selling some of my bags of silver bullion. I own thousands of these coins that I minted, all right, for myself. I'll show these to you. All right. These things, I've showed this to my viewers before. I have thousands of these. These are all made out of 0.99 silver bullion. So I'm selling these on e-commerce, and then I'm looking at the reason I'm doing so is because of the weighted alpha. Silver bullion is the greatest weighted alpha, is pumping to new all-time highs. So I sell into that strength, and then I look at what assets have the greatest negative weighted alpha. Like Solana, for example, I'm purchasing Solana and Ethereum. Solana, as of today, has 100% strong sell rating and ranks in the top 1% of all signal directions. So I sell the pump into silver, and then I look underneath the market what has the greatest negative weighted alpha, and that is, for me, is Solana and Ethereum. So that's my trading plan. Let's look at Ethereum, what its technical rating is. Now stay with me to the end. Give my videos a like and share, and you can leave comments below. Tell me what you think. Do you think Solana and Ethereum are oversold? I do. Opinion only. So let's look at Solana, and then MicroStrategy. Let's see what we got here. Ethereum to USD. Let's take a look. It's off 3%. The crypto space is tanking. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts. So they're the OG, trading at 21.96. So I bought the dip this morning in Ethereum, and it is an 88% sell. So I'm starting to accumulate some ETH on the retracement. Now, Solana has 100% downtrend, so I'm purchasing more Solana and then selling the silver bullion. So my trading plan for today is I'll dollar cost average Bitcoin, dollar cost average SPY ETF, looking to purchase BKCH, DCA it, and then block BLOK, and then ETHE. So that's had a huge dip. So, I'm upside down in my Bitcoin position like everyone else, but I've been here before. And so it takes some, being able to go through the crypto winter takes a lot of effort. So I say this every day. I give thanks for my abundant supply now manifested. I have it now. So pumping up the jam, pump on silver bullion, selling into it, DCA the Bitcoin today, DCA the blockchain ETFs, and then I'll go into Solana now, and I'm starting to accumulate positions in Solana. So that's what I have, everyone. Running about 12 minutes, a little shorter video today. So that's what's going on. Now CNN, got Fox News, all types of news, with China, North Korea, and Russia, and Iran, and the Abraham Lincoln, the drone story with that, and the escalation of World War III, and the Ukraine, got a lot of news with that. So with that being said, everyone, have an awesome, great day. It's John Taylor on his news desk and trading desk. I have it now. Thanks, everyone. Like and share. And I also am putting videos out now on publishing on X, on Twitter. I want to welcome all my new Twitter followers. So thanks, everyone. Have a great day.